The Temple of Concord, located in the Valley of the Temples of Agrigento, is one of the most extraordinary examples of ancient Greek architecture. Built around 430 BC, this Doric temple is renowned for its exceptional state of preservation, making it comparable to the Parthenon in Athens. Its fascinating history and imposing structure continue to attract scholars and visitors from all over the world. The name Temple of Concord comes from an interpretation of the 16th century, when the historian 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗀 found a Latin inscription nearby with a dedication to the Concord of Agrigentini. Although the inscription dates back to the 1st century AD and has no direct connection with the temple, the name has remained over time. The inscription itself is currently on display at the Regional Archaeological Museum, Pietro Griffo. The temple is a classic example of the Doric style 𝗏𝗶𝗃𝗃𝗀 style, characterized by 6 columns on the front and back and 13 on each long side, following the classical proportion of double plus 1. The columns, about 6 meters high, have 20 grooves each and a slight entasis, giving the temple a harmonious and solid appearance. The structure rests on a platform of 4 steps, 𝗓𝗏𝗄𝗯, that is a little over 39 meters long and almost 17 meters wide, with a total height of more than 13 meters. The interior comprises a cell, naos, preceded by a pronaos and followed by an 𝗍𝗶𝗃𝗀, both with 2 columns between the doors. In the 6th century AD, Bishop Gregory II converted the temple into a Christian church dedicated to Saints Peter and Paul. During this transformation, significant changes were made. The spaces between the columns were walled up, the interior was divided into 3 naves by means of arches carved into the walls of the cell, and the 𝗍𝗶𝗃𝗀 was demolished to create a western entrance, according to the Christian liturgical orientation. This conversion has contributed to the preservation of the temple through the centuries, protecting it from the destruction that many other pagan buildings have suffered. The Temple of Concord is considered one of the best preserved Doric temples in the world, second only to the Parthenon. Its structural integrity offers a valuable testimony of classical Greek art and architecture. Over the centuries, various restorations have been undertaken to preserve its majesty, including significant work in the 18th century to remove subsequent additions and restore its original appearance. Today, the temple is an integral part of the archaeological park of the Valley of the Temples, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and continues to be a symbol of Sicily's rich cultural heritage. The Temple of Concord is not only an architectural monument of inestimable value, but also a symbol of cultural resilience through the millennia. Its history, from Greek origins to Christian transformations, reflects the different phases of civilization that have left their mark in Sicily. Visiting this temple means immersing yourself in a journey through time, admiring the craftsmanship of the ancients, and understanding the importance of preserving the historical heritage for future generations.